In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify account password and modify the password protection for your Shopify storefront. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage these critical security features to ensure the safety and accessibility of your Shopify store. Let's dive into the first part, changing your admin or login password. To begin, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, navigate to the lower left corner and click on Settings. From there, you will see an option with your store's name, which you should select. This takes you to Manage Account, though you can also go via Account or Security Settings, depending on which path you prefer. Here, under the Security or Password section, you'll find a link labeled Change Password. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password. After typing in your current password, you can now create a new one. Type in your desired new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then save your changes. It's important to note that if you have two-step authentication enabled, you might be required to complete an additional verification step before you can finalize the change. Now, if you found yourself in a situation where you've forgotten your Shopify admin password, the process is slightly different. Start by navigating to the Shopify login page. You will see an option labeled Forgot Password. Click on that. You'll need to enter the email associated with your Shopify account, and shortly, Shopify will send a password reset link to your inbox. Follow the instructions in that email to reset your password securely. Moving on to the second part of today's guide, we'll discuss how to change the password for your storefront, especially if your store is currently under password protection. This is particularly relevant for stores that are restricted or in a coming soon state. Start again from your Shopify admin. From there, navigate to the online store and then select Preferences. Scroll down the page until you reach the Store Access or Password Protection section. This is where the magic happens. In the password field, underneath where it says Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password, you can enter the new password that you want your visitors to use. Don't forget to save your changes. Here's a tip. If you're ready for your store to be publicly visible, you can disable the password protection entirely by unchecking the Restrict Access setting. And there you have it, two straightforward procedures to help you manage both your admin and storefront password settings efficiently. Regularly updating your passwords is a small but vital step in maintaining the security of your online business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tips like these.